but they will not
Okay,
shed
Vivek
even
Srivastava.
crocodile tears for the Pahalgam victims.
Have you been quiet for, unusually quiet for 15 minutes?
सुनिए
Have you found one reason why RSS should be
आप
banned?
बात कर रहे थे औरों से, तो दैट इज द मेन थिंग. It should be banned. I mean, Mr. Priyank Khadge is trying it already in Karnataka.
ट्राइंग क्या सर, उनकी सरकार है, बैन कर दीजिए. आप उनको 2 रीजन बता दीजिए. गिव मी 1 रीजन हियर.
नहीं ठीक है भाई, उनको नोटिस दिया गया है ना. आप अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन पेपर बनवा लीजिए, टैक्सेस दीजिए, और अगर नहीं है तो साइड हटिए. ये पैसा कहां से आ रहा है? महल खड़े करे जा रहे हैं केशव कुंज. एंड जोहरान ममदानी इज अ लेफ्ट लिबरल. वो अपना सेक्युलरिज्म अपने स्लीव पे पहन के घूमता है. ही गोज टू गुरुद्वारास, ही विजिट्स टेंपल्स. He is a secularist and he doesn't want that in his constituency, his city of New York, a person comes और वो वहां एक
Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. He is a terror apologist. Mamdani is a terror apologist. You know what he thinks of? You think, what are your views on Hamas?
No. I don't agree.
What are your views on Hamas?
I don't agree with you. I stand with the cause of Palestine. My views on Israel are...
Hamas is fighting for Palestine.
And my views on Israel are it has killed more than 70,000 people. Yes. No, Hamas is a part... It's one of the people who...
One of the people. One of the people. Now you're fumbling. Hamas is fighting for Palestine. One of the people. What did Hamas do on October 7 in Israel, sir?
Israel...
They took out a peace march.
No. What has Israel been doing since 19...
You tell me, what did Hamas do on October 7?
Let me speak. What has Israel been doing since...
The viewers know the answer.
Can I speak?
No, you can't, because you have nothing to speak. Let me talk now. Mohammed Khalil is a pro-Hamas voice. Why call him pro-Hamas? He's a terror apologist. And Mamdani said any New Yorker should be able to exercise their First Amendment rights in this city without fear. So Mahmood Khalil was endorsing Hamas after October 7 strike, the terror attack, and Mamdani was cheering his right to free speech. This is the real face of Mamdani. Vivek Srivastava?
No, absolutely. I don't agree with you. You are just citing a very exceptional kind of an occurrence. Mamdani is much more than what you have said. I told you he's a regular visitor to the Gurdwaras, interacts with the Sikhs over there, people of Hindu community, and don't give him a bad name just for the heck of it.
One minute. Where was, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Where did Bhindranwale take shelter? 1 minute. बताइए विवेक श्रीवास्तव, where did Bhindranwale take
the Golden
shelter?
Temple. So you are trying to say that
so are you saying everybody who goes to the Gurdwara
in the Golden Temple
is kosher? ये क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट देते हैं सर आप? Every day you come up with some bizarre things.
Okay.
Just because Mamdani goes to a Gurdwara, he is not a terror apologist. Dr. Ranganathan?
नहीं, विवेक का तो मैं बाद में आऊंगा, बट पहले एज तहसीन सेड, ही हैज ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन. इवन आई हैव ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन, बट to be honest with you, when you talk about Hemu Kalani, I go by authenticated sources, and your friend, my friend Dr. Ratan Sharda has obtained a doctorate in this. This is the book that he has written, The Sangh and Swaraj, RSS role in freedom struggle. If you go in there, you will see Hemu Kalani was an RSS, and Mr. Motwani, who talked about RSS and Sindh in 1939 to 1947, clearly mentions that yes, Hemu Kalani might have joined other organizations previously, but yes, when he was arrested, when all the cases were going on, he was part of the RSS. So please, you have any problem with this? Talk to Dr. Ratan Sharda.
Right.
Please do not belittle the work that he has done of a lifetime. Number two, as far as Hamas is concerned, as far as this Mamdani is concerned, let me ask a very simple question to Vivek, my good friend, who says RSS terror and all. Was Hidma a terrorist? हिम्मत है तो बता दो. Yes or no बोलो.
No.
It's a very old question you ask me every time. Okay.
हाँ तो पुराना क्वेश्चन क्या हो गया? आंसर नया दे दो ना. आंसर नया दे दो. Give a new answer if it is an old question.
मैं आपके हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दूंगा.
मत दीजिए सर, मत दीजिए. आप आके यहाँ बैठिए, उसी से आंसर मिल जाता है लोगों को. Even if you don't talk, they know what you are going to say. Like Dr. Ranganathan respects Dr. Ranganathan, viewers respect Vivek Srivastava silence. आप बोलते हैं जब उनका रेस्पेक्ट खत्म हो जाता है. As long as you're silent, you make sense.